Welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope everyone is having an absolutely amazing day, and I am super excited that you have decided to come join me for a few moments. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. And as always, please do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy, and leave a comment down below letting me know what you thought. As you can see, today we are going to be unboxing the March 2019 VellaBox. I love this subscription. It is a candle subscription, y'all. If y'all did not know, yes, it is a candle subscription. I love my candles. These are always artisan candles, and I just love their company. They do have a couple different plans. They have the Lucerna, which is a $10 monthly subscription, and every month you will receive a 4-ounce candle with approximately 25 hours of burn time and a little surprise gift. They have 3 different subscription levels, and all 3 you receive the surprise gift. So the first one, the Lucerna, is $10 for a 4-ounce candle. The second is the Ignis, and that is a $20 subscription for an 8-ounce candle with approximately 50 hours of burn time. And then you can get the Vivere, sorry, $30, and that is a 4-ounce and 8-ounce, so you have a total burn time of about 75 hours. And again, all 3 do come with the special gift. This is the Vivere, so we are, or Vivere, I don't know why I'm trying. So we're going to dive in, and we're going to take a look, and we're going to see what March has in store. This is always so fun. And I will make sure to put a link down below if you would like to sign up for VellaBox. Who wouldn't love getting candles to their door? So, live, light, love. One thing I love too about this subscription is they always come in these adorable little canvas drawstring bags. And then there's always a picture here with a quote. This is a beautiful picture. It looks like maybe some lavender, and it says, "The earth laughs in flowers," Ralph Waldo Emerson. So then we have our cute bags here. So let me not drop them. So I'm going to set those to the side and get the card out so I can tell you about what we got. And I can see our little bonus gift. So this month, the featured favorites. These candles are going to be from Mrs. B's Necessities. They are from Oceanside, or based out of Oceanside, California. And their website is Mr. B's. Did I say Mrs.? It's Mr. B's. Mr. B's. MrBSNecessities.com. You can use code VellaBox for 30% off at checkout. And they are an entirely plant-based candle and bath and body company. Their candles are crafted using vegetable wax and 100% therapeutic grade essential oils. That's awesome. All right, so I'm going to go ahead really quick and show you guys our little bonus gift. These are from Mrs. Myers, and this is, it looks like we have a lavender right here. These are hand lotions, a lavender scent, and then a basil scent. So that is our little bonus gift. That is nice. I love Mrs. Myers. I love that company. So let's get into our candles. We will start with the big one, the 8-ounce candle. And let's see. Like I said, these bags are always just so cute. So cute. Okay. Scented by Nature, Mr. B's Luminaries, Lavender and Rosemary. Earth and home friendly, made with 100% natural biodegradable soy wax and pure undiluted essential oils. Oh, I can definitely smell the lavender and the rosemary. I can smell both. That's awesome. And it says, this fresh, inspiring scent is brimming with the rich and floral aroma of the French countryside. So there is that. And I think the packaging is, it's simple, but it's cute. And I like the simplicity sometimes of labeling and branding. So I do appreciate that. So then now we're going to take a look at our 4-ounce candle. So same thing, Scented by Nature, Mr. B's Luminaries. This is orange and Lang Lang. So there is that guy. Orange Lang Lang and Himalayan Cedarwood. This is a complex and altogether lovely blend of essential oils. Orange provides a familiar and sweet base, while Lang Lang, famous for its ability to improve one's mood, offers exotic notes. So you're gonna improve my mood? I'm gonna like you right now. Oh, y'all, that smells good. I definitely smell orange. And then I almost smell, no, I was gonna say like a faint hint of like a licorice, but I'm not sure. It just smells good. The combination smells amazing. So that is our 4-ounce candle. So again, this was orange and Lang Lang. Smells awesome. And then the 8-ounce was the lavender and rosemary, and you definitely can pick up both scents, and so it smells really good. So there is that guy. So we got the 2 awesome candles that both, like I said, come in the adorable canvas bags every month. And then we have the 2 little samples of hand lotion from Mrs. Meyer's. So again, that's a company I absolutely love. I, yet again, am very, very happy with VellaBox. I think this was a great month. I think, you know, especially supporting smaller businesses and anything with essential oils, I think is fabulous. And, you know, being the 100% soy candle and everything, I just love that. So, like I said, I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. Subscriptions do start at $10 a month. And just again, to kind of go over that. So this would be the $10 a month subscription, is a 4-ounce candle. The $20 subscription would be the 8-ounce candle. And the $30 subscription would be both. So that kind of shows you a better idea. And like I said, this, I mean, alone is, even though it's a smaller candle, it's 4 ounces. At $10, you get 25 hours of burn time. And like I said, every month their candles, the variety they pick and the companies they choose, always have fabulous smelling candles. So I've never been disappointed. So that link will be below. Let me know what you thought in the comments, and please do give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed. I hope you all have a fabulous day, and I will see you guys with the next video. Bye.